Hi guys, today we will talk about how to migrate shots to another device on your WeChat app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here like you say. Then you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to settings window here, and you just click here on shots, then it's going to take you to shots window. You just click here on shot history migrations, then you come to this window, you click here on migrations, then you click here on migrate to mobile, so or tablet, so you click here on select chats to migrate, and it's going to add you add the phone number here. So here you will find the no chat history to be migrated in this window, but if you have, you will find it in this another window. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.